What's up guys, it's Rowan here from SmartCam Vlogs, and today I'm going to be telling you about how my Canon EOS 70D broke and how I managed to fix it, so let's get into it. So the problem I had with my camera is that it wouldn't turn on no matter what I did. I got new batteries, I got a new charger, it just wouldn't turn on. I tried every fix that the internet told me to do. I tried flipping this switch in here. If this switch isn't broken, I would recommend not trying to fix it, because I've seen a few people online try to fix it and then subsequently break it, and then they've actually had to take it in to get repaired. So if the switch looks like this, then all is good. So I was thinking, what's wrong with this camera? Why isn't it turning on no matter what I do? I even had new lenses and they still wouldn't help at all. But then I went to the camera shop and this is what happened. In the camera shop, the person behind the desk took out my SD card and they put it in a different adapter. This is the SD card, they put it in a different one of these, and guess what? My camera worked straight away. So there's a lot of different advice online about why your camera might be broken, but I just wanted to put this one out there that it could be the SD card adapter because I don't see many people covering it. Thank you for watching guys. Let me know if this helped in the comments below and leave a like if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.